Hey guys, so a few of my friends, they were telling me about this abandoned truck thingy in the middle of like a bush. So I'm gonna start looking for it. And as you can tell, I'm a professional explorer. Should be. Okay, so driving one-handed is clearly not my thing. So once I get to the bush, I will start recording. I think it's down over there. Yeah. I've made it to the bush. I think it's in there. That's what my friend was saying. I was supposed to be doing this with him, but he's not here right now. He said that there's a path that you need to follow. So I think that this is what he means by the path. But this is kind of awkward, so it matches me, but so I could have just walked through there. Anyway, is that it? I think that's it right there. Okay, gotta be very careful here because there's barbed wire. Oh god damn it! Here she is. And that's really underwhelming. But I think that there is more at the back. Like there's the engine here and like the wheels. Yeah, overall pretty cool. We have made it out the bush. There might be some more things around here, but if this video gets 10 likes, then I will explore all of this areas. Like there's something down there, and there's like a huge tree up there, and there's some more bushes like over there and everything. So I'll see you guys in the next one.